how to change color theme on Bybit app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bybit, and today I'll guide you on how you can change color theme on Bybit application. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy through this video. First things first, you want to simply go ahead and open up Bybit. Once you have done so here, what you want to do next is make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, you'll find the settings at the gear icon at the top right corner. You want to simply tap on it right here. Now, here on this page, on the settings, if you scroll down, you can see settings right here. And under settings, you should be able to find the option that says color theme. You can tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can choose the theme. You can either use dark mode or light mode, or you can set the default theme. Once enabled, the app's color theme will follow the system settings by default. So this is how you can change the color theme on Bybit app. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.